Welcome learners for the lecture 4 of a linear algebra, that is a MSc first year of a semester first. Today we discuss about the after getting as a definition of a vector spaces and how to addition as well as subtraction to given as a multiplication, all of these containing in a previous lecture. Okay, today we discuss about the linear combination and system of the linear equation. Let us go started as a linear combination and a system of a linear equation. Okay, linear combinations and system of a linear equation that will be getted as a definition of this form is generated. Let V be a vector space and S a non-empty subset of a V. V is a vector space and that is the vector space of a V getted as a non-empty subset of the S. Okay, what will we say? That is this V is a non-empty subset of the S. A vector U is an element of V is called as a linear combination. If we get it as a form, that is a U, this U is a elements of a V, means we get it as U equals to 1 2 3 4 5 or any numbers, any equations, any form will be generated. This vector V is depending on the form. This will be generated as a U is an elements of this sign is called as the elements of a V is called as a linear combinations of a vector of a S. If there exists a finite number of a vector, that is a U1, U2 or UN in a S, or the scalar vector that is a A1, A2, AN in a function of the Fourier transform generated in the equation in the linear form, function will be generated such that this V equals to A1 U1 means the finite number and scalar form, they both of the multiply each other for getting as a 1 2 3 4 respectively, that will be generating, means a V of the form equals to A1 U1 plus A2 U2 plus A3 U3 dash dash dash, they getting as a form AN UN after getting as the value of the n considering this form. In this case, we also say that V is a linear combination. V small v is represented as a linear combination of the form. We multiply as a finite number and getting as a scalar form, they generated in the coefficient value. Observe that in the any vector considering as a V, that will be generated 0 into U. U means a finite number. This finite number multiply by 0, they get it as a value 0 for each, that is a U is an elements of V. Hence means 0 vector is also considered as a linear combination of any non-empty subset of a V. Okay, this all getting as a definition of a linear combination. What will we say in this form? That is a V is a vector space, S is generated as a non-empty subset of a V, U is an elements of a V for getting as a linear combination, as well as the consider as a two form, that is a finite number generated as a U1 to UN as well as scalar number that will be generated as a A1 to AN for a function, they consider as a linear combination, and linear combination represented by the small v, they both are the multiply of the finite number as well as scalar, the a1 u1 plus an un in this form. Okay, these both and 0 is multiply of the finite number, the value will be getted as a 0, hence it is called as a 0 vector is a linear combinations of any non-empty subset of a V. Okay, this is the definition of a linear combination. Okay, let us go started as an example first. They getting as a solving to the method of the linear equation by deduce the section. Okay, they will be getted as a first example. 2x cube minus 2x square plus 12x minus 6. This will be getted as the first example for generating to the value. Okay, we know that means they will be given as an example first. 2x cube minus 2x square plus 12x minus 6. They will be getted as an example form for getting as a equation. Is a linear combinations of to the form getting as a value for x cube minus 2x square minus 5x minus 3 and 3x cube minus 5x square minus 4x minus 6. Okay, this will be value is getted in a P3 getting as a R, but that 3x cube minus 2x square plus 7x plus 8. All of this value will be getted in this form. Okay, solve to the equation. That is in first case we wish that the scalar vector a and b such that to getting as a value that will be combining of this value, that is 2x cube minus 2x square plus 12x minus 6, they get it as a left hand side equals to a into multiply of the first form plus b into multiply of the second form. Okay, solve this equation as a form, that is combine to the x3 term in this form. Okay, means a x3 minus a into 2x square minus 5ax minus 3a. Okay, this will be combining to the form of the square, same as a form will be joining of this equation. Okay, this is x3, this is also x3, means a plus 3b, consider as a first value x3 is a common, same as a plus minus 2a minus 5b x square plus minus 5a a minus 5a minus of 4b x is a common, same as a form, that is a minus 3 minus 9b minus 3a minus 9b, considering this is expanded to the form and getting as a value. Okay, after that will lead to the following system of a linear equation. First we consider as a form combining to the left hand side and right hand side to generate it as a value, that will be considering, that is this left hand side x cube, this is x cube, means combined to the left hand side and right hand side a plus 3b. Okay, next is a minus 2a minus 5b, considering as a 2, they generated as a value. Okay, same as a third equation minus 5a minus 4b equals to 12, same as a minus 3a minus 9b equals to minus 6. Okay, this will be the equation for getting. Adding appropriate multiples of the first equation to the others in order to eliminate a, we find. Okay, appropriate the equation, that will be getting as a value, that is a plus 3b equals to 2 and b equals to considering as a 2 for getting as a value. Then b equals to 2 generated as a value, combining of the value. Adding two appropriate multiples of the eliminate a, for eliminating a to get it as a value, that will be generated a plus 3b equals to 2. Okay, this will be eliminating to the value, all the value will be generated to the form minus 2 is a 0, considering as a value both of this equation. If we value will be getted this value, put up this value, all the equation will be solving and getting to the value a equals to minus 4, b equals to 2, 0 equals to 0 and third value 0 equals to 0. All this value will be generated, then put up to the value of a as well as b for solving to the equation. In this equation, how to solve the equation for getting as a value? Because of a plus 3b equals to 2, they combined to the all the equation and generated to the value b equals to 2 is also solvable for getting as a value. Okay, both of this equation for solving and getting as a multiple. This is a step for solving to the equation. Okay, value will be getted and this is a 0 0 value. Okay, put up this value in the equation. Left hand side 2x cube minus 2x square plus 12x minus 6 equals to, put a value, that is a minus 4 this equation, plus put a b value, that is a 2 in this equation. Okay, this is the second this is the equation to solving a and b. Okay, in the second case we wish to show how there is no scalar ab in found in this equation. Okay, this value same as a putting to the equation, then using the preceding technique to obtain to the system of a linear equation, then same value will be generated, 3a plus 3b equals to 3. For getting as a second equation, 3a a plus 3b x cube is a common. Okay, this first value is a 3, second value is same as a expanding to the form and generated value, third value will be also getting this equation. Okay, how to get it as a solving to this value, then eliminating as a before yield, then a plus 3b equals to 3, then getting as a b equals to 4. If a equals to getting as a 1, then generated as a equation for b equals to 4. Okay, then 11b equals to 22, same as a solving. 0 equals to 17, same as a putting to the value. Okay, but the presence of the inconsistency equation 0 equals to 70 indicate that it has a no solution. It has a no 8 solution for getting as a 8 property of the vector spaces. Hence the equation generated to the value, that is a 3x cube minus 2x square plus 7x plus 8, is not a linear combination of these both of the equation, because this value does not generated in that equation. Hence first equation to generating to the value, this is the value to get it as a same solution to generating. Okay, in this solution does not uses as a property for generating to the 8 vector property or the rule. Okay, this is the solution of the equation. Next is a second example to generating to the form of the spam, means the theorem will be depending on the equation. Okay, what is the definition of the spam? This spam is generated as a or a S. Spam is called as a S for getting as a first example also. Let S be a non-empty subset of the vector space V. The spam of a S denoted spam capital S is the set consisting of all linear combinations of the vectors in S. Okay, this spam S is generating as a denoted by capital S. For convenience, we define a spam phi equals to 0. Span phi equals to 0 will be generated then. In a R3, means a R3 vector for getting as a value, for instance, the span of a set 1 0 0 or 0 1 0 and consists of the all vectors in a R3 that have the form 1 0 0 plus b, a and b combined to the form 1 0 0 and 0 1 0. Then this is a 0 not getted as a value, only generated as a. Second is a b and third is a 0 for some scalar a and b. Hence spam of a 1 0 0 and 0 1 0 contain of the points, that is a xy plane. In this case, the spam of a set subspace of a R3, this fact the true show as a general value for getting as the xy. This xy plane is generating to both of these condition. Suppose that this value will be generated as a 0, then given as a value, this z plane does not consider. If this value will be 0, then x and z plane only considering. Okay, this is a spam generated as a combination of a 1 0 0 or a 0 1 0. Let us go started as the theorem of the this value for the spam. Okay, let us go started. Theorem. The span of any subset S of the vector space V is the subspace of the V. Moreover, any subspace of a V that contain S must also contain the span of the S. Okay, what is the proof? What we say the theorem? The span of the any subset S of the vector space V is the subspace of the V. This is a V vector space generating as a S. Any subspace, if suppose that getted as any subspace of a V that contain S is the span of the vector space that generating to the value. Okay, what is the proof? This result is immediate if S equals to phi, because span phi equals to 0 for considering to the definition of the value, which is also subspace that contain in the any subspace of a V. Okay, if S means a span, it does not equals to phi, then S contain a vector so that to the z point, because of the span will be considering as a 1 0 0 and 0 1 0. Z direction does not include. This Z direction is getting as a value for S is not equals to phi. Then let us start it as a form. Let xy is an element of the span is, because xy is generated as the plane form. Then there exists a vector u1 u2 to um vector space v1 v2 to vn in the span of the S, and scalar considering a1 a2 to am to the form of a b1 b2 to bn. Okay, this value will be getting. After that, equation will be generated. X equals to a1 u1 plus a2 u2 am to un, and y equals to a1 v1 b2 b2 v2 plus bn vn in this form. This xy plane will be generated to the form. Then x plus y equals to a1 u1 plus a2 u2, this form same as a b1 v1 b2 v2, this form will be generated. For any instant c, for the scalar value, c is multiply of the x, c into x equals to c a1 u1 plus c a2 u2 c am un. Same as the y is generating to the value are clearly linear combinations of the vector in S, so that x plus y and cx in the span of a S. Thus, span S is a subspace of a V. It is considering in the form for the addition of the x plus y plane or the multiplication of the c in this x or y. Any value will be getting. Now let W denote any subspace of a V that contain S. If W is an element of the span S, then W has the form of a C1 W1 plus C2 W2 plus CK WK. Okay, same as a form which will be getting. Then for some vectors W1, W2 to WK in this form and some scalar C1, C2, CK, hence to get it as a value S is a subset or the equals to W, we have the W1, W2 to WK is an elements of the capital W. Therefore, to getting as a same equation or a formula will be generated this form. W equals to C1 W1 plus C2 W2 to get it as a CK WK. It is a form of a same W. This will be getting as a all a theorem we generated as a, it is a simple theorem of the span only generating as a xy plane. How to xy plane considering? For getting as a value that will be generated to the form, considering to the equation that will be getting, that is a, if suppose that immediate value is generating to the form x is considering as a 100, y is considering as a 1010, and last form considering as a only 0. They generated first x equals to 100 for getting as a value only generated as a x or a. Second value is generated as a 1 for B position generating. Then only generated at the xy plane. This is the subspace of the vector spaces to containing as the span of the face. Okay, this is your lecture to getting as a all clearing to the form of the theorem.